Oh my god, you guys, it's here. Hey guys, do me a favor, stop what you're doing and click that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram. I need you to head over and give me a follow. Thanks in advance. Now on to the video. Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is super duper exciting because we are unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro 14-inch computer. So if it's your first time watching, welcome or welcome back. I am super excited today. I don't even have on any makeup, y'all. I just wanted to get this video up and out for you guys. This MacBook just came in the mail. UPS just dropped it off. So I'm just so excited. I've been waiting on this since the end of December. I went ahead and bit the bullet and upgraded my MacBook. So previously I had a MacBook, well I have a MacBook Pro 13-inch. I think this is the 2017 version, and it's fine. It just now it randomly doesn't keep a charge. It turns off if the battery's at 50%. And so when I saw they were coming out with these MacBook Pro M1 chip computers, I was like, I don't know if I'm ready to upgrade yet, but y'all, I don't know. I convinced myself. I'm like, I need to get a new laptop. So I went ahead, bit the bullet and purchased. I purchased the base model 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, and I'm just really excited about it. I'm really excited to start editing on it and using it and all of that stuff. So I'm going to give you guys a little ASMR moment real quick. So go ahead and watch the footage of me unboxing it, and then we'll come back, open it up, and talk about it. So satisfying. Alright, so you just saw me unboxing the laptop. I'm going to put the specs of the laptop right here because I'm not sure of everything I got. But this is it right here. It is just the base model. You guys, this laptop is insanely expensive. It is around $2,000, and obviously the more you add to it, the more the price goes up. So I feel like the base model will work perfectly fine for me and what I need to use it for. I do obviously editing for YouTube, and things like that. But again, I feel like the base model was fine for me and what I would use the laptop for. So that's what I got. I got it in the space gray again. So this is like heavy, y'all. Like this is so much heavier. I'm going to show you guys a comparison between the laptop that I have. This is what I have, the 13-inch MacBook Pro. I'm going to take it out of the case. This is not nearly as heavy as this one. So this is the one I have. This is the one I just got. And this is a 13-inch. This is a 14-inch. But it looks like, I don't know why it looks so much bigger. Let's put them on top of each other. Alright, so this is them sitting on top of each other so you can see the difference. The 13-inch is on top, and you can see it has a little bit of space on the side. The thickness right there, the 14-inch is definitely a little thicker, and I swear it is a good amount heavier than this one. It also has more of a square design versus this rounded design on the 13-inch. So I'm actually going to use Mac's trade-in program and trade that in. They give you money for your older Mac products if you want to like upgrade to a new one. I've done it with my iPad. I did that in like October when the iPad Pros came out, and so now I'm going to do it with my MacBook because I don't need 2 MacBook Pros lying around. So I'm so excited about this, you guys. Just on the exterior, some of the reasons why I wanted to upgrade is because this one actually has more ports. So the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 model only comes with a headphone jack on the side and then 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports. This MacBook comes with an HDMI port, a USB-C, an SD card slot, which is amazing because I don't have to use a dongle to plug everything in. It comes with a MagSafe charging port, 2 more Thunderbolt ports, and also a headphone jack. So many more ports. I'm so happy they brought this SD card slot back. I have Mark has a MacBook Air from 2015 or 2016. It's pretty old, but he has the MacBook Air and it had like the SD card slots. And then we got a MacBook Pro and it didn't have any ports whatsoever, and it kind of sucked. So I'm so happy they brought all the ports back. Okay, so that comes in the box, of course, and then you get your MagSafe charger, which this is actually a lot better as well because it has this like braided cable. The charger on my old MacBook does not have a braided cable. It just has a regular cable. And if you know anything about Mac chargers, you know that they will unravel on you in a minute, okay? Those chargers don't be worth a damn, I swear. The phone chargers, the computer chargers, all of them. So this one has like this, if you guys can see that, this like braided effect. And so I'm hoping it's just a lot more sturdy and it's not gonna unravel on you. So they also brought back the MagSafe charger, which is this one. My MacBook Pro charges with a USB-C. So they brought back the MagSafe. So I don't know why people were so gung-ho on the MagSafe. I like the USB-C, but you can charge either way on this new MacBook, which is nice. They provide this cable, but you can charge it with the USB-C or with the MagSafe charger. And then you get, last but not least, your charging brick. So that is what that looks like. I feel like this is actually bigger than the charging brick that I have for the other MacBook as well. And this is the 67-watt USB-C power adapter. You could have updated to a faster adapter if you wanted to, but that would have taken longer to get here. And I mean, it's fine. I kind of keep my computer plugged in a lot anyway, so it don't matter. Okay, so I think I've talked enough. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and start the setup process. Ooh. Oh, she's fancy. She is fancy. The all black keyboard. Oh my gosh, I love it. this information is transferring, I'm going to show you guys kind of some of the distinct differences between the two Macs. You can see the size difference. 14 inches is only an inch higher, but I feel like the screen looks a lot bigger. Is that just me? Like, that gives you a good amount more of screen real estate. And then the keyboard is all black also, compared to the older MacBook where they have some silver in between the keys. So it doesn't say MacBook Pro here either. My MacBook was so dusty, but it doesn't say MacBook Pro here at the bottom either. And it just looks so good. My Mac was so dusty compared to this new one. I didn't even realize it until now. Also, so on this older MacBook, you see how you get the black space up here and then the camera's in there. On the new MacBook, you get a full use of the screen, except for you have this the eye in the middle, and that's the camera. So there definitely is screen differences because you don't have the black rim around the screen on this one. So not only is the screen an inch larger, but you do get you get more screen real estate because you're not missing an entire chunk of the top and the sides as far as the screen goes. So there's just some little differences. And then of course we already talked about the ports on here. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Oh my God, this is so cool, y'all. Watch this. I am so excited about this Touch ID. So it's locked, right? Automatically opens. Oh, and look how fast that was. Oh my God. So cute. So we've set the MacBook up. I'm definitely going to go back through, customize it, play with it for a little bit. But I just wanted to show you guys the specs and how it looks directly out of the box. I love techie things. Like I'm not really a techie person, but I do a lot of research on the tech things that I do buy. And I get so excited about new tech items. And I'm just so excited about this laptop, you guys. Oh, it says MacBook Pro on the back. Can you guys see that? It says MacBook Pro on the back. Like I get so excited about this stuff, especially doing YouTube. Like clearly I have a full-time job, but I also consider myself a full-time content creator. Now I ain't making full-time content creator money, but I do consider myself a full-time content creator. I spend a lot of man hours and time doing YouTube, and having better tools just makes things easier and faster for me, right? So I'm really excited to use this. Again, if you guys have any questions about it, let me know. If you want to see another video on it, let me know. I know, you know, my audience isn't technically techie, but I don't know, there's something so exciting about Mac launches that just get me all giddy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful if you were thinking about getting a MacBook. I can already tell I'm gonna love this baby. So again, if you have any questions, ask away. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.